best friend for 100 years in Albany, Georgia, was Susan Dupuis. She had 2 girls. Well, it was like these girls were mine. So they have a heyday when they're at Miss Paula's house.
What you
So
cooking?
you know what? I got to start locking my doors.
You think? We know where you hide the key.
I know, and
We
a
need
bar
to
of
borrow
your
something
earrings.
here.
I was gonna say, you have been in my closet already.
I got this party I'm going to for Christmas, and I've got to borrow something from you.
Listen, you know I'll give y'all anything I got. Ooh, y'all are like butter to my eyeballs. So, girls, let's get started on my bacon and mushroom stuffed beef tenderloin. All right, so I got a tenderloin, and I went ahead and asked the butcher to butterfly it and trim it for me. I say, let's just wing this, girl.
All right, let's do it.
I've got a 1/4 pound of bacon here, and let's mince up some mushrooms.
Okay. All right.
That'll be the base of the stuffing. Suzette, if you would
Yeah, I love to fry up
mince
some.
that up. You know what? I'm just thinking.
What you thinking?
What you thinking?
You girls come from that rich Cajun blood.
What are you doing?
What you thinking?
You got something special?
Well, I'm cooking some crawfish
Absolutely.
Y'all.
later on. But what do y'all think about stuffing the crawfish into here?
I think it would be
And you know
fabulous.
what?
And it'd go great with the dirty rice, the roast dressing.
Now, while y'all are doing that, I'm gonna just season up our meat.
All right, I'm putting this on.
All right, I'm gonna sprinkle this, y'all, with just a little soy. That'll help brown it up.
Okay.
Gonna add a little salt. I just can't believe y'all have surprised me today.
I know.
Well,
Do y'all know how special
we
my...
wanted Amy to hide and scare you.
Remember how I used to hide in the clothes racks when y'all would go to Kmart?
Yes. I hadn't forgotten, little sister. Don't overcook that, baby.
I'm not.
Because we want some of that bacon fat to...
Yeah.
We want to save it for in here. Take that out. Put the mushrooms and the shallots in. All right, Suzette, you can chop some parsley and mix in with it. And Amy, you can start chopping the crawfish, baby. Here's the butter. Butter makes it better.
Yes.
All right, and that'll give our bacon a chance to cool. These already cooked.
Okay.
You know what?
What?
What do y'all think? I can either just put a layer of frosting of this cream cheese, or I can mix it in with it.
Frosting for the meat. I love it.
That's gonna be the new thing.
I know. People say, we're going to frost our meat like Paula Deen does. She puts frosting on a fine piece of meat.
What do y'all think? So which way?
I was kind of thinking mix it all together.
Okay.
But either way,
We're gonna cook up the crawfish with the mushrooms, bacon, and shallots for just a few minutes. Then we're gonna spread it along the pan and add some cream cheese.
how much cream cheese you gonna put in?
I think I'm gonna use the whole block.
Nah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
All right.
You ready for it?
Yeah.
Bring it on. It looks good and festive.
It does. Yes.
With the red crawfish and the
Yes.
parsley.
All right, girls. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get all this in here.
Oh, that'd be good.
But we're
Yeah,
gonna
you bet.
try. Yes. I tell you
That'd
one
be
thing
good.
I am gonna get is
On
all that
toast.
cream cheese. This might be a new hors
Dip,
d'oeuvre.
yeah. Be a great dip.
Now I'm just flattening it out and then I'll tie it together. I feel something.
What are you gonna do
I
now?
feel
You can add
Hey.
another thing to it.
Yo, yes I am.
You gonna wrap bacon
Oh,
around
my
it?
God.
I'm just gonna put a little piece on top.
way.
This is looking
Mighty fine.
delicious. Okay.
That's a pretty piece of meat.
That
That's a
is.
beautiful piece of meat. Look at it right there. Can y'all see that
Oh,
in?
man. And think about when you slice it, how pretty it's gonna
Yeah.
look.
All right, so in the oven, 400 degrees, 30 to 35 minutes. So y'all don't let me
won't.
forget about it.
No, because we want to go raid your closet for just a minute.
I need
We
to
got to
borrow
have
some
something. And I know
Are
you
you
got
kidding?
it. That's the only reason we came. No, I'm just kidding. No, and eat your fine food, and we're gonna cook for you.
Y'all want to really go in my closet?
Yes, you know you
Like
got
old
the
times
best
Paula.
closet.
I'm up for it.
Remember when we
you
were
girls
little?
always used
I'm
to love
going
to
in.
dress up.
So
Getting
watch
all
out,
your
girls.
stuff.
Into
What you
the
got back
closet,
here?
we got, oh, you know I got stuff. All right, girls, the tenderloin is ready to come out. And y'all get out of the way now. Don't want to burn you.
Oh my word, Paula.
Oh, wow.
Oh, girl.
That is looking
Look
righteous.
at that bacon.
I love those fork earrings, Amy.
I know.
Aren't they cute?
Take them off and
They're
take you a bite out of that. Right there.
I
Don't
love
think
those.
I won't do
Listen,
it.
those come.
That's what you're talking about.
You know,
when you
I
can
wa-
wear a utensil in your ear. Look.
How funny is that? I love it.